Good morning, it's Saturday. My auntie's here hanging out with me for the day. So we're just gonna go shopping. We just tried one of the eclairs from the new eclair place in Newstead. So yum. I've actually never had an eclair before, but that was really nice. Last night, went to Avalon's, got a pizza, the garlic bread and pizza from New Farm Bistro. So good. Like so good. The garlic bread was like on a base, but I swear it had pesto on it. Fuck, it was so good. Had a half bottle of red wine. I got like drunk, did a face mask, watched Ace Ventura with Goldie, and then I came home. So that was cool. So we're just gonna go shopping. Yeah, E loves Queen Street Mall, and James Street and Newstead just then was so busy, like so busy. Actually, I need to hang out my washing before we quickly leave. So we're going to do that today, have lunch at our little pizza spot upstairs, the Stanton, in Brisbane. And then we will have probably dinner with my uncle, maybe not. E and I will have dinner somewhere. And then I have Goldie tomorrow. So very busy day. I would take you along, but I actually think I'm not going to. Me and my auntie are just about to call my mum so my mum can give her some good news. So excited for that. Oh, okay, bye. I am so hungover, but when you drink with family, it's not counted, so whatever. Wheezy.
Going down to this car.
What?
I'm going to carry on my bakery as well.
No, you can't do that because you'll lose your spot.
No, I'm going to put this into the car.
Oh. Do you want me to go put it in the car? Last night we went to... Fuck, I can't even tell you where we went. The last place we went was, something in taxes. What was it called? Death and Taxes. It's pretty crazy. So my auntie was here yesterday and last night, and we just ate heaps of food, shopped, and went and drank. Started at the Stanton when we were shopping, and then we went to Joey's. We also went to M, and then we went into the city. Met my uncle who was up from Sydney, so that's nice. I got home at like 1 apparently, I don't really know, and then Amy was having like a little party with 3 of her friends, so I joined, and I literally fell asleep outside. Also left my $3,000 bag outside. Like, what the fuck is wrong with me? Okay, I'm gonna park in the boys' spot and just tell Remy to park behind me if she needs. Oh, so currently going to have coffee and etc. at that bakery in Newstead that I went with Candy and Katie the other day. And then I've got Goldie for the day, so that's cool. Can you tell? I feel like my lips are giving hungover. Like, why are they so red? I remember waking up to them being like, Jade, are you asleep? And I was like, fuck. Just like crawled upstairs to my room. Let's see if there's a line. Yeah, fuck. So then we just, I am on my way to Charlie's, obviously. Hey everyone, so it's been a while since I've done my cooking content. So last week Avalon was on like a break from her parasite cleanse, and we ate so much food. Like I had pizza twice, Chargle Charlie's like 10 times, banoffee pie, like, oh, that's the oven. So I'm going full, like, back to my healthy eating. I feel very inflamed, so the goal is just to reduce inflammation. So what I'm starting with today is bone broth. So you go to the butcher and get beef marrow bone. And firstly, what you need to do is roast the bone. So, the oven on 180 degrees. You look cute. So the bones get roasted for 30 to 40 minutes. I'm bringing back my cooking content. I've just cut all the carrots. I'm putting half an onion. I don't love preparing garlic because I feel like it makes my fingers smell. So that is all of the veggies for the bone broth. I'll place them there. And then we're also making this carrot juice. So I need and the ginger. I don't really know how to do that. I'm just going to cut it up into bits. Probably not that bit. Do you reckon? Am I meant to like take the skin off that? Because I'm not. Just half a lemon. Here is the juice ingredients. Cup of water. Lid on. I already did all the veggies yesterday because I wanted to cook it last night. The idiot me forgot the tomato paste. Perfect. So, heat up the pan and I use organic olive oil. I have my organic grass-fed beef bins. Hoping that makes more juice than it looks like right now. And we've got tomato paste, gluten-free egg spaghetti from the Standard Market, and Harris Farm and then I just use this from Harris Farm. Bro, the amount of juice you get out of like little carrot is ridiculous. Celery and carrot is going in. I used the food processor this time. Because last time I cut it up and it was just like chunky, which is fine, but Good morning. I stopped filming last night because there was just so much going on and it was kind of dark. I didn't like the lighting. So I'm here eating my breakfast. I have my overnight oats, but I heated up a bit, which had chia seeds, hemp seeds, oats, Greek yogurt, cinnamon, and a bit of milk. And then I heated up and put some honey on top and some more Greek yogurt. I can't believe what I look like. Like, I'm so inflamed. My skin is like terrible and my skin tone. It's partially because it's cold, but it's also because we ate so badly last week. Like, I can't even deal. Anyway, whatever. The bone broth. So that'll be done tonight. And I can start drinking it tomorrow. So keen. I got in like the biggest rabbit hole last night of like bone broth before and after, skin before and after. So keen. Afternoon snack before the podcast. I also need to scull some water. I feel like I must be getting my period because I have so much work to do, but I just feel so, I don't know, I just feel gross. Bone broth is coming along nicely. I went into my like my iMovie and realized there was like a vlog from the other week that I never uploaded, so just uploaded that. Maybe I could be consistent and do it every week. We'll see.
Okay.
Just like, serious, I've been thinking about like we probably need to. Good morning. How's the face looking? Exactly the same. But I haven't started drinking my thing yet, so let's unbox it. I'm like scared. I'm like scared, by the way. Oh my god. Feels like a smash cake. This is fat, and then you just store it and you use it to like cook things with. So I just poured the bone broth into there. Just gonna grab myself a cup. It was actually perfect. So Ebony came up, we went to the pub, ran into like so many people, a lot of emotions. I just need to scull this bone broth. Hang on 1 second. So I need to get it out of the way. It's kind of gross. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god, this dip from Harris Farm is off its head, like beetroot cheddar dip. I usually have it with like corn chips, but sorry, I'm back. I forgot to mention there's the cutest guy that works at my gym, but like what are you meant to do about that? Nothing, obviously. Avalon's like, just say hi or just speak to him. I'm like, yeah, good idea, as if I'm ever going to do that. Anyway, if anyone has any ideas,
If anyone has any ideas, please drop them in the comments below. Thank you. I would really appreciate it. Bye.